Surtsey is an island located south of Iceland. The island was formed by a volcanic eruption and first appeared in 1963. Since 1963, the island has seen many changes. Initially, only mosses and lichens could be seen on the bare rock of the island. Today, the island is booming with life in the form of large palm trees and many species of birds, reptiles, and small mammals. What natural process has been observed on Surtsey from 1963 to current day? All right, so I gave us two images that you have in your notes for this topic. So this top picture right here is showing primary succession. So remember, all that succession is, it's if we leave an area alone, what will it look like 10 years from now, 50 years from now, 200 years from now? Primary succession, though, this is when you're completely starting over. You're on new land. You have rock that you start with. Okay, and remember, in primary succession, our pioneer organisms, the first organisms that will start to appear are lichens, and lichens are going to break down our rock into soil. So once we have the soil, we start seeing small mosses and grasses appear, and then over time you get larger and larger plants and larger animals until we reach a climax community. Okay, and that's that stable community. It doesn't change very much. It's got all of the biodiversity, all of the different living things there. So that's primary succession. Secondary succession is when we have land that still has soil. There might have been some natural disaster, but ultimately the soil is still present. We're not going all the way back to rock. So because soil is present, it's a little bit faster of a process to get back to that climax community, that stable community, okay? So when we look up at our question, it gives us some clues about what process is happening, which is what it's asking for. So it told us that there's a volcanic eruption. It tells us that there's mosses and lichens. It also talks about bare rock. Okay, so thinking about all of those clues and thinking about what we talked about, choose which answer choice best matches what process was seen on Surtsey Island.